Not sure if you really need a love story session before wedding? Let's get to know each other. I'm Valeria and let's figure it out together. So many couples ask me, is a pre-wedding love story session really worth it? And the truth is, it comes with way more benefits than people realize. First of all, it is a chance to meet your photographer or videographer before the wedding day. You get to connect, feel each other's vibe, understand how they work, and that connection helps you feel so much more relaxed and natural in front of the camera later on. I can't tell you how many couples tell me after the wedding, "We are so glad we did this session. It helped us feel like we weren't total strangers on the big day." Secondly, it is a great way to practice posing. You can create a Pinterest board, gather some ideas you love, and during this session, you'll see what works the best for you, what feels comfortable, what you want to avoid. And this helps your wedding photos look and feel more you. Third is confidence. Most people don't get photographed professionally very often, so the love story session becomes this relaxed space where you learn how to move, how to just be yourself. By the time the wedding comes, you're not nervous at all. You're excited, confident, and totally ready. Fourth, you can actually use the photos or videos in your wedding plans. Many of our couples use their engagement photos for invitation wedding, website, or decor. And if you do a video, it can be your digital wedding invite or even a fun emotional video surprise for your guests at the reception. Imagine showing your love story on a big screen after your grand entrance. Your guests will love it. Fifth, it is the perfect opportunity to do a hair and makeup trial. You can see how your look holds up after a few hours of shooting and decide if you want to change anything before the big day. A lot of our brides say this was one of the most helpful parts of the session because they knew exactly what to expect on the wedding day. Now, are there any cons? Well, this is not really a con, but it takes a bit of preparation. You'll need to choose outfits, think of a location, maybe coordinate with your stylist. But here's the thing, you don't have to do it alone. In our team, we have someone who helps couples with the deciding on a location, and I'll also send you a guide so you feel supported from the start. So if you're still unsure, let me make it easy. Book a free consultation with me. I'll give you a complimentary love story session when you can book the wedding package. And I'll send you an engagement guide to help you prepare and feel confident for the shoot. No stress, no guessing, just a fun and meaningful experience before such a big day in your life.